Hey guys, are you losing confidence with your trading? Are you losing more trades than winning? Are you at the stage where you're just completely wanting to give up with your trading? Well, let me tell you about a couple of coaching sessions that I've done today with two students. Now, these two students couldn't have been further away from each other than if I tried to actually make it happen, okay? One trader has just joined the program and the other trader has been on the program several months, okay? Now, the first trader that's just joined the program, I was talking to him about his strategy. What's your strategy? What have you been doing? He's been doing a bit of trading before. He's lost confidence. He's come to me to teach him how to trade and get back on board. Great, love that. He looks at 3 news websites. He has 5 indicators on his chart. He is in a group with other traders and he hasn't made any money whatsoever. He cannot get ahead with his trading. He's got so many layers of information when he's going to make a trading decision. He just conflicting signals is getting everywhere. So he goes to put a trade on. Oh, but this chart is saying this indicator is saying that. So it gets really complicated. You lose confidence and it doesn't end well at all. I was there 20 odd years ago, and then you've got the other student I'm coaching that keeps it really simple. And he sent me this message today because he's had another great day trading today. Trading is the art of doing simplicity really well. It really works. Okay. So let me show you this morning's move trading the German DAX and how simple we've kept it, because as human beings, we really do need as least amount of information coming into our heads as a trader, because you need to make that decision pretty quickly, especially if you're a day trader. Swing trader, we can take all the time in the world. It doesn't matter. Got time to think it through. As a day trader, as a new day trader, you've got to have that signal. You've got to know your risk parameters, your entry, your stop, and managing the trade. If you do that over and over and over again, you're going to get a habit that you can adapt. You're going to have a habit that is going to be consistent. It's a good habit, and you're going to be more confident with it. But if you layer information on top of your trading strategy, you need another variable, you need another news information, then it becomes very complicated and it really breaks down. As I said, it then becomes a long road back to recovery if you're at that position. So I'm going to get into this student. I'm going to be talking to him about keeping it simple. I'm going to be getting into him about just use a market replay to trade the strategy. And to do that, I want you to do that like 10 times this week, and then build that good habit, and then go live in a live trading account managing risk. So let's go and have a little look at today's morning move. I want to show you what the student got. He got I think it's 88 points today in 30 minutes. 88 points yesterday in 30 minutes and 64 points today trading the DAX in 35 minutes. So he's going for the morning move. Let's take a little look. Okay, so there's a negative here, guys, and that is I didn't take this strategy this morning. And why? Because I was in London talking in a meeting and discussing trading to some people. And it's always the case, isn't it? But let me tell you something. It's a never-ending buffet. There is always a setting up. So tomorrow's another day. Today, do I feel like I missed this move? Yes, because I didn't take the trade. Okay, because I wasn't at my screens. Unfortunately, I was in London. But look, the morning move, 6:30. You know this by now. The morning move, we get the momentum trigger, green tracks, green PTS. We're buying straight away. No hesitation. We're just buying that. You want to buy it, turns red, okay? Exit the trade. Then you get another green PTS with tracks, but no momentum trigger. So we score that one down because we don't have the momentum here. But then we get the momentum and PTS and tracks, and then we push higher. And look, we exit, we're buying here, we're exiting, we're buying here, we're exiting, we're buying, and now we're in the doldrums. All right, so it's this move, this move, and this move, and this move, job done. All right. One of my students had a one-to-one with this afternoon. She made £400 out of this. This was fantastic, following the same system, just following the colours, keeping it really simple with the colour method. So if you are someone that really does layer on the information before you take a trade, and that is people that have got C-type personalities, maybe engineers that like detail. We have a lot of engineers on our program, and they like charts, just like I like charts. I'm not saying engineers overcomplicate it, but they have processes and systems, don't they? And they like the information. If you're somebody coming into trading and you want to be consistent, then create this consistent habit. Create this consistent habit of simplicity, and it really does help you guys. All right, try to have one, maximum of 3 things that you want to use to give you the signal. All right, and then stick to that for as long as possible if it is a profitable trading system. This was today's DAX morning move. I didn't take it, okay, but my students did, and that makes me really happy. Okay, speak to you soon. Take care, guys. Have a great day.